Hi, I just wanted to help a few of you all that seem to still have a little difficulty here with this assignment. If you'll notice that Reflective Activity 2 has this PDF file, and that's the one that you need to open in order to see what the instructions are for this assignment. It also begins by Roselle Chartock's Principles and Applications for Becoming a Culturally Responsive Teacher. Here's Principle 1. Okay, notice that this is one of the three principles referred to in the rubric. At the last criterion on the rubric, it's asking you to address these three principles. Here's Principle 1, 2, and 3. You're supposed to read these and address them somehow after you do your autobiography. Then you're supposed to do Lesson 1, Cultural Autobiography and Identity Collage. The Identity Collage is something that you can get 3 bonus points, and I'll add them in later on as extra credit. But these are the objectives and then the procedures. This is what you're supposed to do in order to write the cultural autobiography, which is basically number 1 and 2. Okay. Then next week you all are going to be doing this one, the Lesson 2 Inventory, Personal Experience with Prejudice. So you'll have to look at the objectives and then follow these procedures. So I'll go ahead and get out of this. Okay, if you'll notice over on the right hand side, it shows if you turned in your assignment and when you did it, and then your grade out of 25 possible. I allowed you to resubmit it through Thursday if you want, and you were supposed to review 2 other people's paper, which means you have to use the rubric. So I was assigned Jessica and Henrietta. It included me as one of the students in the class, because I have one student position called test student. Notice this would be your name up here, but notice right here that I can go ahead and view the rubric, and then once you all are ready to resubmit, notice there's a place down here to resubmit the assignment. If you look up here, you will, let me move this up just a little bit. Notice that you can go ahead and choose your file and then add another file. You can send me a comment, but here's the rubric again that's going to score your paper. And notice right here, Principle 3 is there. The 3 principles. If you look at this first one, some of you missed this because it says you need to upload a Word document. Some of you didn't upload a Word document. You just wrote in the space. Or you didn't do the writing guidelines from the syllabus, which says you have to have a title page and double space everything, and you have to have margins, etc. This is just some standard procedures for all submissions that are Word documents. Notice that you're supposed to also follow the procedure, which is from page 28 right here. And that one is the one that I showed you just a minute ago. That procedure asks you to identify your identity, dealing with not just class, race, and religion, but also your gender, sexuality, your abilities, and it describes it there. So if you missed a point on one of these and you didn't get the full 5 points, go ahead and revisit these criteria right here, and they'll tell you what it is that we're looking for. Just a little video that might help some of you all. Thank you for your effort, and I'll be sending this to you all soon. Thank you.